We'll guide you through how to use the Claude model effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Model Platform's website. Once you're there, you will need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up by clicking the Sign Up button and following the registration steps. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see multiple options and tools that Claude offers. To begin using the model, navigate to the Create New Project button, usually located on the top right corner of the dashboard. Click it, and you'll be prompted to name your project and select the model version you want to work with. Choose the most recent version for the best performance. Next, you'll be taken to the project workspace. This is where you can input your data or text. You can either type directly into the input field or upload a file if that's more convenient. Once you've input your data, you'll see a Run button or something similar. Hit that to let Claude process your input. The results will appear in the output section within a few seconds to a minute, depending on your data size. Take a moment to review the output. Claude's model is designed to provide precise and insightful analysis, so make sure to check the details. If you need to make adjustments or run another analysis, you can easily do so by modifying your input and clicking Run again. Remember, the platform also offers tutorials and help sections if you need more guidance or want to dive deeper into advanced features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.